Hey, I'm Anna from Audiologic, and welcome to Tech Tuesdays. This week, we're exploring AV over IP with the IPD and IPD4 range from SoundTube. It's something we say all the time. AV technology is always growing and adapting, and with that comes a strong focus on using IP-based systems. Flexibility, scalability, saving costs, the reasons for switching to IP systems are pretty convincing. One of the key benefits of using AV over IP is remote monitoring of every single component and step of the signal chain. In most signal chains, the monitoring ability stops with the amplifier since the loudspeakers are passive. Depending on how the speakers are wired, you could even lose an entire chain from a single faulty speaker. With SoundTube's IPD range, this all changes. These speakers are PoE and PoE Plus compatible, use both Dante and AES67 protocols, and can even accept up to 40 watts per speaker. You can also power them with an external PSU if you don't have a PoE switch. I've got two models of the STNet speakers from SoundTube with me today. This is the IPD CM52 BGM, and this is the IPD4 version, which is even more unique. The IPD4 range not only is PoE, PoE+, but also has 3 amplifier outputs, which you can use to power passive speakers, giving you 4 ceiling speakers powered off a single network port. Not only this, but the IPD4 range can process 2 separate channels of Dante audio, meaning you can cover 2 independent zones with this setup. This also allows us to bring in full monitoring and PoE to an even more cost-effective model. Let's have a look at the setup for these 2 speakers in the STNet Control Center. Here you can see that each speaker has built-in DSP with 8-band EQ, input and output gain control, pink noise generator for tuning and testing, and programmable delay. On top of that, we also have the amp setup tab, which gives you the power status so you can check how much power your switch is providing, and impedance monitoring for both the tweeter and woofer. And of course, we have amp status, temperature, and speaker status at the bottom, which is available on both pages. Similarly, for the IPD4, we have the same DSP and monitoring functionalities as the IPD, but we also have a second page for DSP since you can have the speaker set up in 2-channel mode or single-channel mode. The impedance monitor is also expanded to reflect not only the master speaker, but also its additional amplifier outputs. So we can then open Dante Controller directly from here and easily get some sound going, which we can monitor the levels immediately right here. In addition to these features in the control center, you can also monitor all of this information using the SoundTube DNA third-party API, so you can set up your systems to notify you if any of the status information changes. The STNet range from SoundTube features 4 in-ceiling models, 1 indoor surface mount, 2 IP65 rated indoor-outdoor models, 3 pendant models, a 360-degree outdoor ground speaker, and 2 IPD4 models. There's a SoundTube solution for every installation, so let us know if you're looking to expand your AV setup. We're always here to help with system design and specification. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.